Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 80 wpm. Ready? Start. We shall have to face considerable capital expenditure during the current year. Full stop. After a great deal of consideration, we have decided that the time has now come when we must build a new head office near to our present offices. Full stop. We are also proposing to undertake substantial improvements in the general appearance of our shops. Full stop. Since the beginning of the current financial year, we have committed ourselves to the expenditure of some rupees 6,70,000, and you will all agree that half a million rupees is a lot of money to invest. Full stop. We shall certainly have to make heavy inroads into our cash resources to cope up with the requirements. Full stop. We feel quite sure, however, that this expenditure will improve the efficiency of our organization and will earn us into a much stronger position to meet the competition which is now widespread and which is likely to increase in the times to come rather than to decrease. Full stop. This may also help to overcome some of our other problems which we face every day in our business activities. Full stop. During the past year, we opened 10 new branches, and the total number of branches is now. Full stop. Stanza. 6 other branches were modernized, and in 2 cases we moved to better premises. Full stop. The tempo of these changes will be increased during the year under review. Full stop. Stanza. For the forthcoming year, we have new proposals, and before their implementation, we should like to take permission of our shareholders. Full stop. We want first of all to introduce some new items on our list of consumers interest. Full stop. These items are listed separately for your perusal and would prefer to receive your permission to include them in our list immediately. Full stop. Secondly, we also wish to open some new branches, preferably in villages from where we expect good sale proceeds. Full stop. Stanza. We are sure our shareholders will give a thought to the above suggestions and give us permission to go ahead with our plans to increase business in the coming year. Full stop. We, however, give one assurance to our shareholders that we have every hope to earn better profits next year and to distribute a much higher dividend to them at all costs. Full stop. Stanza. In addition to the above, we have also decided to take the work of wholesale agents for various reputed firms. Full stop. This will help us to overcome the problem of surplus staff. Full stop. The staff which we declared surplus could be used for this project, and in this way the firm will increase its business and also utilize the services of the surplus staff. Full stop. Stanza. Therefore, before we depart tonight, we should like to have your opinion so that we could take up the projects on hand without further delay. Full stop. सो ये हमारी 80 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस लीगल एडिटोरियल एंड जनरल. Thanks to all. Be practice for a better future.